Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a pizza dough. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 1/4 cups of bread flour, a 1/4 cup cornmeal, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of yeast, 3/4 cups of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. First, we'll proof our yeast by adding 1 teaspoon each sugar and yeast to our warm water. The water should be about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll let this sit for 10 minutes to bloom. After the yeast is proofed, we'll combine 1 1/4 cups bread or all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup cornmeal, and 1 teaspoon salt in a bowl and whisk these ingredients together. Then we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil and our water and yeast and stir to make a sticky dough. Once the dough forms, we'll flour both our hands and the dough ball and mix by hand until the outer surface of the dough is coated in flour. Then we'll spray the dough and bowl with cooking spray so the dough doesn't stick while it rises. Afterwards, we'll allow the dough to rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in bulk. It's been about an hour and our dough has doubled in size. One of the first things we're going to do is dust this with just a little bit of flour and kind of punch it down. Then we're going to dust our work surface with some additional all-purpose flour and start to roll out our dough. Once you've rolled out your pizza dough to approximately a 10 to 12 inch round, we'll transfer this to our pizza pan by folding it into quarters to make it easier to move, placing it on the pizza pan, and shaping the dough to fit. There's no need to spray the pizza pan because the cornmeal in the crust is going to prevent it from sticking. Also at this point, that if you'd like, you can roll over one edge of the pizza dough to create a rim. Now we're going to cover this back with a kitchen towel and allow it to sit 30 minutes for a second rise. It's been 30 minutes and our pizza crust has finished its second rise. It's at this point you can top it however you'd like to. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.